Okay, guys. We back. We back. We back. We back. We back. My computer just shut off. Guys, my computer just shut off. La 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 la. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Computer just completely like shut off by itself. A transient spike in the matrix, guys. A transient spike in the matrix. A transient spike in the matrix, guys. Let me see. I'm surprised my thing still works. You got a question? All right. What's the question? What's the question, guys? Guys, could somebody give me around 400 bucks to 400 bucks to buy a PSU, guys? 400 bucks to buy a PSU. Wait, what happens if I click uninstall on the SigmaShake landing page? What? What do you mean? Landing page? There's an uninstall button on the landing page? Let me see. Where? I don't see it. I don't see it. Where is the uninstall button? Landing page. Where is it? Where is it? Go check it out. Landing page. Uninstall. There it is. Where is it? Where? I'm looking at the top. Okay, looking at the top. Looking at the top. Dashboard. Support. I'm blind, guys. I'm blind. I'm not teaching you the UI. It's your app. Oh, you mean this? Sure. There. Nothing happens, guys. Nothing happens. Nothing happens, okay? Nothing happens, all right? I'm glad you looked at my website, though. Does it look better? Does it look slightly better? Does it actually, like, you know, can you actually see stuff going on, you know? It's better, right? It's better. I don't have the cool whatever design. It looks slightly jank. Yeah, all right. We'll do something about it. We'll do something about it, guys. We'll do something about it. Some people have big screens. Some people have small screens. But I want to at least show the demo of the site and show it, you know. Maybe. We could figure out something better. Okay? It's being worked on, guys. Being worked on. Sorry, music too loud, music still too loud. All right, let me get set up, guys. Let me get set up. I guess this is what I get when I didn't apply the power gate to all my services. It's just my bad, guys. Man, I had like several different sessions open. God dang it, guys. God dang it. The jank, this one looks, the one looks bad on the small screen. Got it, yeah. All right, got it. All right. Mic or voice. Graph page. All right, got it. Graph page. My computer just shut off completely. I think a power gate wasn't being applied to one of the running sessions or something. Could you investigate? And fix. All right. Let's listen to
money.
Thank you. Let's go to graphs. Yeah, I think we might need it to extend this a little bit bigger vertically in height. Yeah, this is pretty janky though. This is pretty janky. I do admit, pretty janky. Very small on the page, guys. Very small. We need to like make it explode. We need to make it explode. Damn, we had like 5 sessions running. All right. Oops. All right. Real-time updates for YouTube chat. All right, we'll do that one. Is it client only, like simulated mock one? Yeah, it's just a simulation. It's a simulation. Cross org reliability. All right, configure agent, vault, push functionality, improve soundbite. All right, sound bites. Resume. And then what was the other ones? Cross OS, configure AI vault, this one, vault. Also, pressing install etc. throws horrible errors. Pressing install exec throws horrible errors. All right, this is for Mac. Install what? Install hub rules or install plugins on the landing page. All right. Oh, so this is all still just the landing page. All right. Install like these ones, right? These ones. This one. Got it. All right. We'll make it look more realistic. Make it. Should I just make the page smaller and then put it all on the right side? Probably, right? Put it all on the right side. Make this taller. Put it all on the right side. Make it more realistic. Oops. For SigmaShake.com, SigmaShake web. For the live demo, could we make it take majority of the screen space in the view and move the bottom description and stepper to be on the right side? So increase the height of the live demo. Also, the live demo, the buttons and interacting with the buttons throw JSON errors and it doesn't make it realistic. Could you at least just show that like a simulated way of that the plugin has been installed? Same thing for all the other things like the install button and everything else. All right, welcome. Sorry for the shutdown, everybody. My computer just completely died, and I think, yeah, if I get $400 guys, $400 guys, I'll buy a PSU. Maybe Mrs. Sigma will approve. Mrs. Sigma will approve I get a part from my stream. Everything now requires Mrs. Sigma approval, guys. Everything requires Mrs. Sigma approval. No, yeah, can't do that, right? CLI fallback is live. MC registration is blocked. How you? All right, with vault. You register the MCP. CLI only. Guys, I have an SSG rule that prevents me from connecting to any MCP server except mine. So it blocks any attempt to connect to any MCP. And for some reason, all my services have MCP to be AI native. So all my services have MCP functionality, but I can't interact with any of them because of the MCP block rule. It's funny. But I create a CLI for all my services. So technically, my model will still be able to interact with whatever service. All right. What are we working on, guys? What are we working on? We're back at 5. Are we fixing the power issue? Power gate? This is what happens when I blew away 15 lines of my context of my system prompt, guys. Something happens. Can we add this to the base of the system prompt and skills and roles? Like we can never let this happen ever again. I think, Coffee, you weren't here, but I watched the video of Anthropic like recommending that you trim down your system prompt to turn it all into skills, and so your system prompt will only be like 15 lines long. So I did that, and my system prompt's like 16 lines long, converted everything to skills and SSG rules. But when that happened, I guess my the context and memory, because I blew away all my memories too and turned them into SSG rules. And I guess the portion where it says to enforce power gate to prevent power shocks and spikes in my PSU wasn't known, and it just ignored. I guess I got 0 prompt, 0 skills. Yeah, makes sense. I don't like system prompts or skills either. I'm just doing the recommendation, I guess, because my system prompt was like 300 plus lines long, and makes sense. Vault, all right, complete state, SigmaShake vault. Cool, now resolves first, all right. Commit, push, deploy, and will this work from my other computers, such as my Windows VM and my Mac OS machine? I think skills are good. Didn't find a use case yet. All right, got it. My skills that I use is to publish, sign, publish, build, all the steps to like build my app and publish it, all in one place. Who's Bobby Cosmic, guys? Who's this guy? Anybody know this guy? How's it going? What's this, guys? What's this? What's this? All right, guys. How's it going? 22 days ago. 22 days ago. Oh, this guy. Oh, okay, I remember that guy. I don't remember this guy. Who is this guy? I don't know, man. I don't know. All right. Guys, look at our alerts, guys. I think this is just mainly me downloading the app, but so far no alerts involving issues yet, guys. That's good. That means Cloudflare has had a day where they haven't had any incidents yet. It's just me downloading my own product, and SigmaShake secrets is now fixed too. This feels good, guys. Oh, we got a yellow one here. Secrets, May 23rd. What day is it? Is that today? Uh-oh. Time is this? 6 a.m.? Okay. Wait. Okay. We'll see what that is. Hopefully get that fixed soon. Miss anything else, guys? Miss anything else? Whoops. Whoops, guys. Whoops. All right. Back to business. Let's see if I need to resume anything. Did I need to resume anything for Windows? So how are you going to deal with the what? How do you deal with unbelievers as an entrepreneur? You don't rely on any believers. You just believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself. Oops. Oops. Believe in yourself. It's the only main person that you need to believe in. Because if you don't believe in yourself, how are you going to do the things that you want, you know? How are you going to do it? All right. Hopefully this takes into place and recover. Man, I just turned on my computer today too, and for that to happen suddenly, for the power shut off, that's messed up. Messed up. Oh yeah, we also we were working on the VFX too. Superset and resizing. Fix push functionality, OS. Oh man, there's so much. Oh wait. Should be applied now. It's ready to be done. All right. I think we go to the push one, fix push. And then we have one more. Resume. We need to fix the cross SSG one. All right. I think governance is a good concept and problem. I want to build a project too. Any tips on which are open problem right now? Well, do you don't work in security, right? You just work as a regular software developer type thing, launching something. I recommend buying my product and then selling it to your team, and then you get a cut. Problem solved. Problem solved. You convince your company to buy my product, you get a cut of the product, of the revenue. Problem solved. Problem solved. You don't even have to think about governance anymore. You just think about creating rules for your team and company so that they don't blow up. Seems based. Biased. Seems biased. Seems biased. You finished the merge. All right. Okay. Governance is a security thing. But most is OWASP. I don't think it's a problem. The thing is, are you experiencing the problem that I've been experiencing? Yes or no? It feels like you haven't even tried the thing yet, so I'm not sure if you even encounter it yourself. I've encountered it, so I know it's a problem. So that's why I'm making it. But if you're not encountering it, then why bother trying to solve a problem that's not a problem for you. You know what I mean? Normally when people create products, they create a product for their problem, but you don't have this problem. So why even bother trying to solve a problem that you just think exists, you know? All right, recommend, proceed with recommendation. All right, you do that. Does that make sense? Yeah, I think this problem is more org level. Yeah, you need to find a problem that you experience yourself, not because your org does it. Like if you don't have any passion in solving the problem, then you won't be able to last. It just, in my opinion, because you're just trying to copy. You're just trying to copy somebody else's thing. You know, it's not gonna work. Honestly, I think cybersecurity is a very hard sell for companies that are not enterprise, like legit non-technical people never cared about the process, getting product out there, like technical care. Exactly. So, yeah, that's why, you know, I know my customers, I know my potential target audience. Right, that's part of the game. Right, vault. Deploy, nothing to do. No regular deploy, probably good. See on VM. Set, pull the code. Alright. Alright. Same document file. Get, resolve token. Alright. Alright, this solves my problem. Oh, alright. Now I have to go to like clip. And you go to clip.sigmashake.com and paste this. And then get ready to copy it on the other side. What's this? Sure. This other problem that I have. Man, my thing is so much faster. All right, it was this one, right? I think it was this one. All right, here it is. And then now, let's do the magic guys. Clip.sigmashake.com. And then I just copy the URL that we're about to paste here. And since you guys are on like a 6-second delay, you probably won't be able to type it faster than me. So I'm gonna do that. Let's see here. Create clipboard. All right. Bam. Oops. Boom. Copy text. Bam. All right. Bam. Bam. Damn, guys. I'm a genius. I'm a genius, guys. I'm a genius. You guys wish I was you guys wish you had the techniques that I have. All right. I will build a different project than SigmaShake. All right. Go right ahead, dude. Go right ahead. But honestly, you're gonna have a lot of trouble. One is you don't have the credentials, right? You're missing the years of experience. You're missing, you know, the years in the industry. You're missing a lot of things. You don't know. Well, I guess there's a lot of things you don't know, right? I built my moat. So I guess you could try to do it for your local, sell a product to your local business type of thing, local company. But yeah, good luck. They want human in loop Gale Rails. Okay, got it. All right. Oh, I need to make my, how's my fleet looking? All right, let me see. That's strange. All right. Live fleet map. Okay. Blocks, elevations, role effectiveness. Okay. Let's see. Let's see here. However, if you make your product using my platform, okay, I'll help out. But you have to buy my platform. My platform contains all the cool stuff. Right now guys, this is gonna be so sick. I'm gonna migrate all of my SSG rules to Fleet and have it roll out to my agents to be enforced. How cool is that? How cool is that, guys? So I don't have to manage any of my rules locally. I just manage it all through Fleet. That's gonna be insane, guys. That's gonna be insane. Insane in the membrane. All right, let's see here. I like your product concept. I'm imagining something else. Different space. Whose fleet? Oh, whose fleet? My fleet. My own fleet, guys. I manage my fleet of SigmaShake agents, guys. All right. All right. This is gonna be cool. This is gonna be cool. Hopefully it will succeed and it will work. Let's see here. Push, fix, and you're in progress, uncommitted, and touched. Okay, fix, verified, workstream tree. Okay. All right, now I have to work on fleet migration of my rules. Okay, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be the biggest change, guys. Probably the biggest change ever of the architecture of SSG. But all of my agents that are running on 3 different computers running at SigmaShake are connected to the fleet tenant. And now guys, right, let's do a goal. I want to migrate all my local SSG rules to be actually rolled out and managed by Fleet for the SigmaShake tenant. And this needs to also happen for my Windows and Mac virtual machine and laptop. So the main goal is that all SSG roles are managed through the Fleet Management Console for the SigmaShake tenant. All right. Hello. Welcome. I don't know who's there. But welcome. I don't know why my VibeCoder sim doesn't load, to be honest, guys. I'm sorry. All right, let that load, guys. Next step. Problem business doing manual things. I'll build bespoke layer for MCP and CLI for proprietary ERP, etc. Okay, got it. The next step. Yeah, my guardrails technology will expand to every aspect of guardrails, but including input and output and stuff. But let's see, your thing said problem business doing manual things. I will build bespoke layer for MCP and CLI for their proprietary ERP. Should they use Claude for each employee or open source LLM on their right? I will build bespoke layer for MCP. Okay, sorry. I need this to be translated by Google. I know you're speaking English, but What does this sentence mean? All right. Enterprise research line. Centralized software that manages companies' core business. Okay, got it. All right. What are the major players in this space? What are the existing products? Anthropic, major players, enterprise integration firms. Developer, Replit, SourceGraph, Zed. All right, Claude Code. Okay, you're just building a Claude Cowork. A Claude Cowork, dude. Claude Cowork. But honestly, I do recommend Claude for everything, and then for all the image stuff, you know, Codex is the best at, right? Human in the loop, proper guardrails. Okay. I guess you've never experienced what a person in DLP does. You've never experienced what a person in data loss prevention does. Or I don't think you've ever done a support call in your life. Technical support call. Have you done technical support calls before? Nope. Yep. And that's exactly why it wouldn't be a good idea to have human in the loop. Human in the loop will just create more bottlenecks. And it will ruin AI momentum. I think human out of the loop is a good idea. I think human out of the loop is the way to go. I only say this because if it's accounting, hey, accounting should have given it all the data, you know? They should have given it all the data. That's their fault, not AI's fault. But dude, are you even an accountant? Are you an accountant? Is your family an accountant? Are you gonna make a product that you don't even know where the problems are? Like I said, Coffee, make a product that you know the issue. You know accounting? What's DW mean? What's DW mean? What does DW mean? DW? What's DW? What's accounting DW mean? Don't worry. Okay. Good lordy. Okay, gosh, shoot. Okay. Okay. All right. Like I said, if you know the industry and you know the ins and outs of it and you've been educated on it and you have a job in it, then do it. Do it. Do it. Do it, okay? My products specialize in security because I'm a security person. If your products specialize in accounting because you're an accounting person, then by all means, that is the right problem to solve. That's the right problem to solve, brother. And just get it done. Get it done. Get it done. I learned a lot of things from this stream. I'm writing it all down. Okay. Guys, if you have to write it all down, guys, maybe you need to practice your active recall and spaced repetition learning techniques. I'm poaching like a peasant. Poaching it like a down a peasant. Okay, sounds good, man. I'm glad. Guys, keep chatting all the time, right? Never keep chatting. Never keep chatting. Pheasant, not peasant. Okay. Pheasant. Got it, got it. Enforce gate. Restart the daemon. Restart the daemon for me. Alright. Save the rules for me. Do everything for me. Keep the chatting going. We need the chat engagement up. We need the chat engagement up. We need the lurkers down. Chat engagement up, lurkers down, algorithm up. Equals algorithm up. Happiness, smiles minus frowns equals happiness, guys. It's crazy that you learned your dyslexia. Dude, the reason I'm saying stuff with dyslexia is because you guys are typing things the wrong way. Typing things incorrectly. So incorrectly, my AI agent Navi can't even help me. Like, that's not what I said. Everybody keeps saying, that's not what I said. That's not what I said. I mean, that's probably what you mean. Surely you think they're typed incorrectly. Yes, yes. All the words are jumbled, for God's sakes. Okay, got it. You know, you're right. Even if it is typed correctly, I'll still read it wrong. I'll still skip words, still say it the wrong way. You're right. You're right. But you know what? I think that's what creates an entertaining stream, guys. I think that's what creates the entertaining stream. Like, the more stuff that I annoy people with, like my hand rubbing, when I rub my hands like this. Wait, you can't even hear it anymore. Unless I talk. It annoyed that guy, and then he started saying, stop rubbing your hands. Stop rubbing your hands. Creates engagement, guys. Creates engagement. Doing things that annoy chat creates engagement. Don't worry about your hand rubbing. Don't worry about the hand rubbing. Yes. No, but it creates the engagement. It annoys the chatter. It gets them to say, stop doing that. Stop doing that. It's annoying. God damn it. Hey, hope you're doing well, Han So High. I don't know what time it is. It's probably late at night by now. He must be vibe coding like crazy. Let's see right here. What time is it in Singapore? I just imagine people in Singapore, not really from Singapore. It's 1:56 a.m. Guys, he's like burning a midnight oil. He is vibe coding something, guys. He's vibe coding something. We don't know what it is, but he's staying up till 2 a.m. trying to roll something out, guys. Trying to roll something out. What else, guys? What? Okay. The fleet thing I just thought of. Core guardrails, only guardrails, plus protect rules, everything. We want everything. Including A, B, and M rules. Alright, sounds good. Full migration. Keep exact runbook. I keep here. Wait. Local files. Layer, keep local fallback. Yeah, we need to keep all the local rules in sync and all the command and control rules sync. But should the Mac PM be handled? They're not reachable from this shell. Exact runbook from here. I produce a copy paste runbook and roll command domain check from full local file. And you could execute a Mac yourself. Okay. Right. Sigma, can I buy shares? 67 shares. Jeez, how much money you got, man? I have to contact my lawyers and Mrs. Sigma to see how much we could dilute my 100% stake. I got like 20 buck. 20 buck, man. Not enough, guys. Not enough. All right, let's see. All right, let's see here. Let's see what the question would be. What would be the answer? All right. If my potential valuation is a $1 billion, but I'm currently valued at $1 million, how much would a person need to give me to get 5% stake in my company? All right. So investor would need to give you $50,000 for dude, that's barely anything. It's barely anything for 5%. All right, let's see this. The investor would need to give you $50K for 5% of your company. The standard finance and investment negotiations equity purchases are calculated by using your current market valuation. Your potential future valuation. Potential valuation represents a future milestone or exit goal, but investors only pay what the company is worth. How the investment is calculated depending on whether your 1 million valuation is considered pre-money or post-money. All right, we're pre-money, we made 0 customers, 0 revenue, but we put in a lot of hours of work. All right. Based on your pre-valuation, okay, just to justify, okay, to get an investor to agree to a 52 again, all right, you must show value, IP, founder track record, market opportunity, and strategic partnerships. Okay, you secured letters of intent. Oh, okay, waitlist signups or partnerships. Okay, let's add all this, guys. Let's add all this to the this deal. Damn, Gemini flaming you right now? Yeah. Okay, common alternative, the safe. Investor gives you 50K today. Guys, I won't even accept 50K for 5%, you know? I'd only accept maybe 500K for 5% right now, not 50K. 50K is way too low, way too low. I can give you $1 for 0.6 seconds, yeah. You don't give them 5%. You don't, let's see, what with safe, let's see. Simple agreement for future equity. Okay, you evaluate market cap in safe. Guarantees investor at least 5% or more. All right, letters of intent. Let's try to get this in our site. How's our website look? Landing? All right. Deploy changes. YouTube chat. All right. Deferred, uncommitted, commit, and push. It's this one. Turnables all live. To go live now. Restart everything you need to do to make it work. Except my computer. Not my computer, please. Don't restart my computer. Fix. All right. So when do you come with any reachability, do you think? I give it maybe 1 year. Maybe 1 year or less. 1 year or less. 1 year or less, guys. Maybe that's the max. That's the max. Honestly, that's the max of time. I think 1 year is too long too. Yes. It's definitely has to be within 6 months. It definitely needs to be less than 6 months, guys. I'm too impatient. You're right. Guys, the average company takes 10 years to reach 10 billion valuation, guys. So if it only takes years longer than you think it will, yeah. Yeah. Like having my Windows release. My Windows release, yeah, I'll get it done by tomorrow. 20 days, 30 days later. Still working on my Windows release, guys. Don't worry, it's coming. What is this? Tour. Alright, it's not even working, guys. It's not even working. Why don't I see anything though? For the demo, I can't even move next and I still don't see the live demo at all. Let's see it here. If you reach a milli in 1 year, I'd be surprised, but I would, dude, I'm already a million valuation. I don't, what are you talking about? Luck is really the only thing that can affect the law of reality. Yeah. Yeah, I think the AI bottle might crash. Oh, okay. Dude, I'm already at a 1 million valuation. There is no point selling right now, guys. Valuaire. 1 million. He's already a million valuaire. Guys, a million is not enough, guys. That's why we set our goal to $1 billion. Because $1 million is not a goal worth reaching, guys. Getting your first million is just takes like, I'd say 5 years working a normal tech job or less, right? 5 years working a tech job. That's good. I was talking about business valuation. The first million is just the first hit. Yeah, you'll need more. Yes, guys, we're like with inflation, guys, and what do you call it? The wages not increasing. The retirement amount that you need right now to this day for one person retiring at the age of 65 is about $10 million. That's just with my calculations to retire for a single person. So if you have two people, like, you know, you and your wife or Mrs. Sigma, you'll need $20 million to retire by the age of 65. All right, 20 million for two people. And then when you have kids, I don't think you have to worry about your kids. The 20 million, you know, you already got some money. That's scary, 20 million, holy yeah. Yeah, man. Life is tough, life is tough. Life is tough. That's just to retire at the age of 65. What if you move to Alabama? Maybe the amount will switch by 3 times. So it's probably going to be like 3 million. 3 million you could retire per person, possibly. Assuming that you don't get any chronic illnesses, right? And your rent is pretty low. But in California, 10 million is what each person needs. I'm just being a realist, guys. I'm just being a realist. I say this because let me do some calculations. Here's some calculations. When a person is the age of 65, how much is their health insurance in the state of California? How much is it per year? All right. Honestly, I don't think this is the right amount, guys. I don't think that's the right amount. Cali's so darn expensive, yeah. All right, I don't think this is the right amount, guys. I think a person will be paying $75,000 per year in health insurance, in health medical stuff alone. All right, let's see. What if the person doesn't have health insurance because they can't work? Straight up robbery, yeah. Poverty level, okay, let's say it's, so this is poverty level, right? But what if you're actually making well off? So what if you're making well off, but you don't have insurance? How much will that cost per year? All right, okay. I still don't think it's right. I still don't think it's right. I think it's well above this amount per year, in the 75K range. I only think about it because 75 grand a year is nuts. Yeah, but you got to consider inflation. All right, let's consider inflation about 40 years from now. All right, here, general inflation. Here it is, guys. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Look how much it costs, guys. In 40 years, 4.5% medical inflation is going to cost 75K a year. 75K a year, guys. That's pretty messed up. It's pretty much okay. So if we account for 75K a year, right? Do the account for 40 years times the max, which is about 75K a year. And then consider rent costing, let's say, 3,000 to 4,000 per year, and no, per month. And then consider food at around 400 to 600 per week, and consider inflation. How much will I need to fully retire right now in the year 2026 if I wanted to retire right now? How much money would I need? All right. So I already told you that it's going to be 75K in 40 years from now, right? Let's see scenario. Okay, let's see total. This is for one person. Okay, this is one person. Got health insurance, food, and rent. Not even buying a house, guys. Not even buying a house. We got $6.5 million a year. See, and then we have like a $4 million. That's too expensive. Yeah. But you know what? You know what I realized, guys? You know what I realized? The reason why California is so expensive is the weather. The weather alone, guys. The weather alone makes California worth it. We have an ocean. We don't have hurricanes. We have some fires here and there. We have good weather majority of the year, and it slightly gets and it's cold weather, not too hot majority of the time of the year, especially in Silicon Valley. All right, now adjust it for living in Silicon Valley, the Bay Area. Go to Florida? No, I'm never going to Florida. It's worse weather. They get hurricanes, floods, everything. All right. Pure cash. All right. Pure cash, 7 million. I want to retire like right now. If I want to retire right now, guys. 7 million right now. Right now. Lifetime cash, ideally. But let's give or take 10 million. That's my number, guys. That's my number to retire. If you wanted to retire right now and stay in California, that's how much you need, guys. And that's not buying a house either. That's not even buying a house. All right. So now you know how I think. Now you know how much a person in California would need, ideally, if they wanted to have a proper nest egg. That's too much. Guys. There's no option of moving, okay? There's no option. I only need 10 million to retire plus property costs. Yeah, property costs, yeah. Guys, there's no option to move, okay? This place is the best place.
Money.
All right, now that you know how much a person needs in California, adjust it towards your needs. You can do your calculation from there, okay? keep in mind, all this could easily be done, taken from the stock market. You make one good bet, you can make a couple million. Can I make 20 million and go to California too? Yeah. Yeah. Heck. Alright, actually, you know what? Maybe the reason why I said 10 million, because you have to also consider taxes. How much would the person need to make also considering paying California taxes? They need to make double that, dude. Alright, here it is, guys. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Here it is. Here it is. Look at it. Look how, guys, look at that calculation. Straight on the dot, guys. Just plus 50K. 50K. Pre-tax 10 million, guys. California tax is gonna, guys. Am I big brain or what? AI completely agrees with me. AI completely agrees with me, guys. All right. Now you know how much we need to make. Guys, the amount of money we're spending on inference is nothing. It's like 1,000 or 2,400 a year. I think it's worth it, guys. AI agree with us, and us, it, I think, is what they are calling the psychosis. All right. Got it, guys. So I hope you guys know, this isn't our target goal, guys. This isn't our target goal. Our target goal is 1 billion. We want a few generational wealth, Let some little tiny sigmas rule the world. Little tiny sigmas, one day. Get our strategy. Teach them. What should I do? Push, right, should I phase 1 push the 56 policies to the tenant, then compile to be executed? Drop the umint and admin service account console, admin key. One key I create, you approve. I run console flow myself. You do everything for me. SigmaShake Nation will rise up and overthrow the government. Yeah. SigmaShake Nation! What other... And get the 5G chips we promised in vaccines. Yeah, we want the 5G chips, guys. We want the 5G chips. Guys, we just want to be sleeping and seeing that red woman in the dress from the Matrix all the time, guys. All the time. I inject the 5G straight into my veins. More bandwidth. More bandwidth. All right. Then by the time you get 5G, that'll be 6 or 7G. You run all the commands for me. Oh. Look at this, guys. Need you 2 commands. I'm structurally barred from running. Governance is human only for rule changes. Linger was classifier blocked as persistence change. Run in a normal terminal. Okay. No. Didn't work. Oh, let me just disable. Let's just disable rules. Alright, I need to fix that error too. I disabled rule right protection. You could edit the rules. Sigma, what will be the minimum buy-in cost for pre-seed? It will be like 30k USD to invest. Dude, you think if I needed pre-seed money, I would ask for it? Like Y Combinator gives like 500k for like 7-8% of your company. But I don't even want to do that, guys. I don't even want to do that. And then like, what do you call it? OpenAI is doing this thing where they'll give you like $2 million for like 10% of your company. 100k for 78%. Wow, that was good. Can I do that? Dude, I think it's just so easy to just put your money into something. The person that works the hardest is the person actually doing the thing. The person actually doing the thing, that person's doing all the work. Remember, money is made up, guys. Money is made up. The person doing the work creates the value. Let's see. So it's really easy to just put money into something. It's really hard to be the person actually doing the thing. And that's a challenge. Challenge accepted, guys. Next step, fleet pass exercise 9, fleet, right. Vault. All right, we configured vaults. How's Windows doing? Confirmed, updated CLI resolves the admin token. All right, place it on this box, run your terminal. What? You should be able to get the token yourself. Oh, did that not work? Payload CMS were awesome. They were acquired by Figma, one of the authentic open source success stories. I don't know. Honestly, everybody's different, guys. Everybody. I think the one achievement, guys, is to just not get any, and never gives me my aura. All right, let's fix that. Let's fix that. iNiso tries to buy the aura mythic and it never gets bought. Payload CMS. Headless CMS. All right. Guys, I don't really like it. I already don't like it, guys. I already don't like it. I see code, and I already don't like it. It looks like components from Tailwind. Just like every other front-end thing, guys. It's just like every other front-end thing. Uh-oh. I see this thing now. In SSG, there's this error. Can you fix it?